Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's learn colors name: sky blue, red, brown, purple, yellow, black, blue, green, pink, orange, light green. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. A in red color. Yellow. Kids, this is letter B. B for bat. B in yellow color. Orange color. Kids, this is letter C. C for cat. C in orange color. Kids, this is letter D. D for dog. D in blue color. Kids, this is letter E. E for elephant. E in purple color. Kids, this is letter F. F for fish. F in green color. G, this is letter G. G for goat. Kids, this is letter H. H for horse. H in pink color. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse.